Today we're going to fix this 2TB SSD from Samsung, which for some reason works only when you flip it upside down. As you can see, I already removed one screw, and to find the rest of them I will push the sticker all over and look for a soft spot. These screws require a pentalobe screwdriver, so be sure to have it, otherwise you'll fight them for a while. Inside the box you'll see how little there is, and you begin to wonder, why is it so expensive? Anyway, the area I'm interested in is these pins right here. So let's go under a microscope and see if we'll find one loose. I'll begin my check by pushing on every single pin I go through. And if one is loose, then that's the one we need to fix. And without looking for too long, this one is loose. Okay, so let's solder it back and see if that fixes our problem. Drive is plugged in and recognized by the computer. I even ran a health check using Crystal Disk program, and if you can see, the serial number on the drive matches the one on the box, so you know I'm not making this up. This was by far the easiest repair I've done, but that doesn't mean you didn't learn anything. So if you did learn something, please give me a like and subscribe for more repairs. I'll see you later. Bye bye.